Are you ready to invest in premium cookware but torn between the futuristic appeal of HexClad and the time-tested reputation of All-Clad? The right pots and pans can elevate your cooking, but with so many features and marketing claims, choosing between these two giants can feel overwhelming. Today, I'll break down the strengths, weaknesses, and unique qualities of HexClad and All-Clad so you can confidently decide which cookware is better for your kitchen, your cooking style, and your budget.
Construction and materials. Let's start with how these brands build their cookware, a factor that directly impacts performance and longevity. HexClad uses a unique hybrid construction. Its pans feature a tri-ply build, a magnetic stainless steel base for induction compatibility, an aluminum core for rapid, even heating, and a laser-etched surface that combines raised stainless steel peaks with nonstick valleys. This patented surface is designed to provide the best of both worlds, the browning and durability of stainless steel, plus the convenience of nonstick cooking. You can use metal utensils without fear of scratching, and the pans are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. All-Clad, on the other hand, is famous for its fully clad construction. Their classic lines, like D3 and D5, sandwich a core of highly conductive aluminum or copper, in some lines, between layers of stainless steel. This design ensures even heat distribution from base to rim, preventing hot spots and warping. All-Clad also offers nonstick collections made from hard anodized aluminum, but their reputation is built on their stainless steel craftsmanship, which is still made in the USA.
Cooking performance. Performance is where both brands shine, but in slightly different ways. HexClad excels at versatility. Its hybrid surface allows you to sear steaks, fry eggs, or melt cheese with minimal sticking. The nonstick valleys make it easier to cook delicate foods like fish or pancakes, while the stainless steel peaks allow for proper browning and fond development. Heat up is fast and even thanks to the aluminum core, and the pans respond quickly to temperature changes. All-Clad is the gold standard for heat control and consistency. Their fully clad pans heat up evenly and retain heat well, making them ideal for searing, sautéing, and slow cooking. With proper technique, you can achieve a natural non-stick effect on stainless steel, but there's a learning curve. All-Clad's range of collections means you can choose a pan tailored to your needs. D3 for responsiveness, D5 for heat retention, or copper core for the ultimate in conductivity. Nonstick capabilities. The nonstick question is a major differentiator. HexClad's hybrid surface is a game changer for those who want the convenience of nonstick without sacrificing the ability to brown and sear. It's metal utensil safe and more durable than traditional nonstick coatings, which are prone to scratching and degradation over time. You get easy food release for eggs, cheese, and other sticky foods, and cleanup is a breeze. All-Clad offers both stainless steel and traditional nonstick pans. Their nonstick lines provide excellent food release, but you must avoid metal utensils to prevent damage. The classic stainless steel pans aren't nonstick, but with proper preheating and oil, they can become nearly as slick as nonstick surfaces. However, this takes practice and isn't as foolproof as HexClad's hybrid approach.
Durability and maintenance. Durability is a key consideration for any cookware investment. HexClad is designed to withstand heavy use, the hybrid surface resists scratches, and you can use any utensils you like. The pans are dishwasher safe, though hand washing and occasional seasoning will extend their life and performance. Some users report that the nonstick effect can diminish if the pan isn't seasoned or is washed with harsh detergents, but it's easy to restore. All-Clad is legendary for its toughness. The fully clad stainless steel construction resists warping even at high temperatures. Handles are riveted for strength, and the pans can last decades with proper care. Stainless steel can discolor or stain over time, but this doesn't affect performance and can be cleaned with specialty products. All-Clad's non-stick pans, like all non-stick cookware, will eventually lose their coating, though they are among the most durable on the market. Oven safety. Both brands offer impressive oven safety. HexClad pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for most baking, roasting, and broiling tasks. All-Clad stainless steel pans can handle up to 600 degrees F in the oven, while their non-stick lines are safe up to 500 degrees F. This extra margin makes All-Clad slightly more versatile for high heat applications. Induction compatibility. If you use an induction cooktop, both brands have you covered. HexClad's magnetic base ensures compatibility with all induction ranges. All-Clad stainless steel and most non-stick lines are also induction compatible, though you should check the specific collection if you have an induction stove.
Product range. Your cooking needs might go beyond just a skillet or saucepan. HexClad offers a focused lineup, one main cookware collection with various pan sizes, woks, and a few accessories. This makes shopping simple, but limits your options if you want specialty pieces. All-Clad provides a vast range of collections, materials, and pan types. Whether you want a copper core sauté pan, a heart anodized non-stick saucepan, or a classic D3 stainless skillet, All-Clad has a solution. This breadth is unmatched and ideal for cooks who want to build a comprehensive cookware set tailored to their exact needs. Origin and brand history. Brand heritage can matter for some buyers. HexClad is a relative newcomer, founded in 2016, with manufacturing in China. Its rapid rise is due to innovative marketing and a genuinely unique product. All-Clad has been making cookware in the USA for over 50 years. Their stainless steel pans are still produced in Pennsylvania, and the brand is synonymous with American-made quality and professional kitchens. Price. Both brands are premium, but there are nuances. HexClad and All-Clad are similarly priced for their flagship products, with sets and individual pans typically ranging from $100 to $200 per piece. All-Clad's higher-end lines, like copper core, can be significantly more expensive. Sales and discounts are common, so savvy shoppers can often find deals. Warranty. Both brands stand behind their products with a lifetime warranty, reflecting confidence in their durability and build quality.
Handle comfort. A small but important detail is handle design. HexClad features rounded handles that are comfortable for most users, though they can be slippery if you're wearing oven mitts. All-Clad's signature cup-shaped handles provide a secure grip, but are sometimes criticized for being uncomfortable during extended use or when lifting heavy pans. Which is better for you? So, which cookware brand should you choose? The answer depends on your cooking habits, priorities, and what you value most in your kitchen. Choose HexClad if you want a pan that combines nonstick convenience with the ability to sear and brown like stainless steel. You often cook sticky or delicate foods and want easy cleanup. You prefer low-maintenance cookware that's dishwasher safe and metal utensil friendly. You like the idea of a modern, innovative product with a unique look. Choose All-Clad if you value classic stainless steel performance and the ability to fine-tune your cooking technique. You want cookware that will last for decades and is made in the USA. You need a wide variety of pan types and collections to suit different cooking styles. You're willing to learn the nuances of stainless steel cooking to achieve the best results.
Both HexClad and All-Clad are leaders in the premium cookware space, and you can't go wrong with either. HexClad is perfect for those who want a hybrid pan that bridges the gap between nonstick and stainless steel, with the convenience of easy cleaning and metal utensil safety. All-Clad remains the gold standard for professional and home cooks who demand the best in heat control, durability, and American-made craftsmanship. Ultimately, the best cookware for you comes down to your cooking preferences, the types of meals you prepare, and your willingness to care for your pans. If you crave innovation and versatility, HexClad may be your best bet. If you want tradition, proven performance, and a broad range of options, All-Clad is hard to beat. Whichever you choose, investing in quality cookware is a decision your future self and your future meals will thank you for.